Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Friday's English lesson. Now, before we begin, can you remind me what's the word of the week? Well done, it's wonder. And now, I would like you to think of a sentence with the word wonder. Make sure it's different than the sentence that you thought earlier in the week. Were you able to think of a sentence? Fantastic. I would like you to pause the video now and write your sentence in your home learning book. Were you able to complete your first task for today? Fantastic. So let's put our brains to work. I would like you to look closely at this picture from the story Where the Wild Things Are by Maurice and Doug. What is happening in this picture? Can you describe what can you see? Who are the characters? What are they doing? What do you think the characters might be saying? Or what do you think they might be feeling? Pause the video and have a think. Were you able to do that? Fantastic. So let's move on and have a look at our star words. My turn, your turn, my turn first. Adjective, describe, personality, appearance, energetic, wild. Your learning question today is, can you use interesting vocabulary? Your steps to success are, I can look closely at the character. I can use appropriate adjectives to describe a noun. I can describe their personality and their physical features. Now, let's reflect back on our prior learning and think, what are adjectives? What does this word mean? Thank you for telling me an adjective is a describing word, and we use them to describe a noun. Now let's have a look what adjectives tell us. They may tell us how many are in front of us, or they might describing a noun. They might tell us what color a noun is, or what size, or how a noun might be feeling, or how something sounds, or how a noun looks like, or how a noun may be behaving. Now, today we are going to have a look at Max, because Max is the main character in our story, and we're going to use some adjectives to describe him. First, we're going to use some adjectives to describe his appearance. So what does he look like? And then we're going to describe his personality. That means what kind of a person Max is. Now, I would like you to pause the video and see if you can think any adjectives to describe Max. I'll wait right here for you. So what does Max look like? Can you help me describe him? What kind of adjectives do you think I might be using? I think Max is young, so maybe we can say he's small. He's not very big, is he? Then he is short, isn't he? He's very short. Now we can say that he's wearing a golden crown, so we can write golden crown. Then he has a black tail. Well done. He has some sharp teeth. Not sharp teeth. Sharp claws. Can you think of any other adjectives to describe his appearance? Fantastic. So let's look like now. What does he look like? What his personality is like? So what is he like as a person? So I think he was very rude to his mom, so we need to write rude. Then he was doing a lot of mischief, so I think he's a bit wild. Then maybe we can say he's a bit naughty. What else can we say about him? At some point, when his mom sent him to his bedroom, how did he feel? How did he look like? He was upset. Well done. He was upset. But then when he came back and saw his food waiting for him, I think he was a bit grateful. So I'm going to write grateful for having a nice supper ready for him. Can you think of any more adjectives to describe Max's personality? Fantastic. So your task today, year one, is to write adjectives to describe Max's appearance and personality. Your challenge is to write one of your adjectives into a sentence. Try to extend your sentence by using the conjunction and. So you can draw Max in the middle of your home learning book and write some adjectives around him. Then, at the bottom, try to write some sentences to complete your challenge. Remember to take a picture and send your fantastic work to your class teacher. Well done, everybody, and I will see you all next time. Bye.